Hi, my name is Ed. In this video, we're going to compare two types of station mode code. The left side is a station mode code that connects to one specific network, and on the right side, you will have the it can connect to the strongest network, so it means it has the capability to connect a multiple Wi-Fi network. It could be a network on your office or your home. So go back to the station mode connecting to one specific network or a station mode. You will see in here it uses an ESP8266 Wi-Fi library as expected, and the below lines, these are expected on a web server. It declares or defines the ISID or the access point name and password. Below the baud setup, as expected, you need to declare or to define the serial log, the baud rate. Below you will have the typical code lines of a web server that you can see on an ESP8266, calling the Wi-Fi and connecting it to the network through Wi-Fi connection. And then you have here the expected code lines of a web server. Alright, and below you will see some of the information, typical or template for a web server code, this line specifically, and then baud loop if you have GPIOs that you want to use. And then on the right side you will have the code that can automatically connect to the strongest network, so it means you have multiple Wi-Fi connections. So in here you will see that aside from the library, you have also the Wi-Fi multi library. So let's highlight that one. Alright, okay, and then so let's highlight that one, ESP8266 Wi-Fi multi. So this will enable you to use the in defining a class named Wi-Fi multi. So this Wi-Fi multi class can be used in defining your multiple Wi-Fi connection. Below baud setup, those are expected for serial communication to send messages to the computer. In here you will see the three lines that defines the SSID or the Wi-Fi name and their passwords. You can actually add more lines if you have more known Wi-Fi connections. Compared to the left one, you will see that it has more lines compared to the one that on your left. It only defines the only one Wi-Fi. So the remaining code lines, you will see that this one uses the Wi-Fi multi-run, and then below you will have additional code lines like the Wi-Fi SSID to tell us what network that we are connected.